Next, DJI drone leaked. So online there are now photos of the next drone, which looks like, if you look at it for the first time, you think that it's a Mavic Mini. However, the size is much bigger, and also there's several noticeable differences, especially when we look at the bottom of the drone. We notice a totally different design of the bottom compared to any other of the DJI drones. It has like a different sensor placements, and the bottom plate looks more similar to the Mavic Pros. However, the side materials, it looks more similar to the Mini. My hunch, this is the new mid-range, which sits just above the Air and just under the Pros. So this has the low noise propellers, so it will be like the similar propellers as the Pro, but it won't be like a very entry level like the Mini or the Air, and it will be just slightly above the entry level. But if you were looking for a entry level drone that has like also the low noise propellers, this might be it. Now looking at the camera, it seems the size is similar to the Hasselblad, but when we look at it a little bit better, we can see that the cooling fins are much bigger. That means also like the size for them to put the camera is smaller. However, that is really dependable on like what lens they are using and all the other bits inside, but it seems like they need a little bit more cooling than before. So we are unsure if this will be like competing with the Hasselblad or just like slightly under it, being a bigger sensor, but yeah, with a slightly lower spec. The next item leaked is the remote controller. For me, it looks quite like the smart remote without the monitor, but also it seems like it's a bigger design, so it will have like a longer battery life, or like recharge your phone much faster, or that you can fly longer with this remote. But also it might have like a special mechanism that flip up a mount that is behind the remote, but you can flip it up so it holds your phone above the remote instead of under the remote. So what is your opinion? Would you even want to get this drone, and would you think this will be called the Mavic Air 2 or just called the Mavic? So please comment below what you think about this drone, and maybe like some specs you would want it to have. And yeah, if you are new to this channel and want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button here below. Thank you guys for watching, love you all, and CD out.